Hi, Pranjal.
Hello.
Pranjal, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you clearly, ma'am. How
Hi,
are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. So what happened yesterday?
Nothing much, ma'am. Actually, yeah, I was just taking classes like clapping classes. And where have you been? I just want to ask you because
I'm here.
I just, I
I
tried to,
had,
I tried to book
yes,
your sessions many times,
yes.
but yeah, you were not available at that time. I thought that where is ma'am? Where is ma'am? And I was just looking for you at that moment.
Thank you so much. But I'm traveling and I'm on my vacation actually. So
Oh my God.
yes. So enjoying myself and taking classes also.
So where did you go?
We are exploring different parts of India.
Oh my God, that's really amazing. Wow.
Yes. So we are
Okay.
enjoying nature and we are enjoying the hills and everything. So we are having a good time.
Wow, ma'am, that's really amazing. Please, I would request you,
Yes.
please come Uttarakhand as well.
Yes. Okay. Where are you in Uttarakhand?
I'm in Kordwar in
Kotdwar.
Uttarakhand, like
Yeah.
yeah,
You told me that day. Yes. In Kotdwar.
which is located nearby Nazimabad.
Okay.
Have you heard about Nazimabad?
I have not heard about Nasifabad or Nasimabad, whatever you are saying, but I've heard
Mm-hmm.
about Kotdwar.
Yeah,
I have
Kordwar
been,
Lansdowne.
yes, I have been to Kotdwar, so I know about it. But then how far is it from Dehradun?
It is about, I think, 250 kilometers.
That's it.
Yeah.
But in hills, it takes a long time.
No, I think yeah, it takes almost, I think, 2 or 2.5 hours to reach there. Actually, not
Okay.
more than that.
That's it. Bus.
That's it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If you are
Sure.
a good
If
driver, so you can just reach it earlier.
I don't know driving at all. I know driving, but I don't drive. I know driving, but
Okay.
I have that fear. I cannot drive. I ride a scooty. That's my Mercedes. So I ride my scooty, but I'm not comfortable in my car. Car
That's really
driving
great,
is not
man.
my cup of tea. So yes, Pranjal. So how do you upload your videos and what do you do in your videos? If you can tell me briefly about it.
Definitely, ma'am. So first, I just have a conversation with you or with clapping good instructors.
Yes.
Then I just review those videos that where I'm just lagging or where I'm just doing well, and all these things I just capture. Once I done with all these things, then I just go for the editing session, right? So
Mhm.
I just so I just go through with the editing session. Once I just done with the editing session, then yeah, I just choose the perfect thumbnail for my video, that which one is
Okay.
which one would be perfect for my video.
Mm-hmm.
So once I done with the thumbnail, then I just write down the caption according to me, whatever the caption would be better for that particular
Yes.
video. And then yeah, and in the
So
description I just narrate the complete story regarding the video, that this
okay.
video is related to this topic. And then
Okay.
yeah, then I just upload. But the thing is, ma'am, I don't have a Wi-Fi in my home. So most of the time what happens is like something like I have a 2 GB data. It's a kripa
Okay.
of Ambani ji. So so yeah, I'm just facing a lot of issues, like it takes
Yes.
lot of time, like hours and hours to upload my video, because
Upload. Yes.
I don't have a Wi-Fi, so that yeah, it takes me very long time to upload my
Okay.
videos. Like
Okay.
sometimes it takes 1 hour or more than 1 hour. So yeah, I'm not an issue, Pranjal. You'll have to do it anyhow. But I don't have any
Yes.
other option.
Yes. Same way, I also have, because I don't have Wi-Fi here where we are traveling. So I'm just I have taken the 4G data is there, and I'm just doing, because I've got so many classes. So by evening, my phone is dead, almost dead kind, and data. So I
Yeah,
have to ask my son, I have to ask my mother that please lend me your data so at least I can have my classes. So I'm
definitely.
also, yeah, वो भीख मंगो के जैसे सबसे मांगते रहते हैं ना, थोड़ा दे दो, थोड़ा दे दो. So that's what I'm doing nowadays. But it's okay.
Ma'am,
So
I love your bindi. Like
thank you.
awesome,
Thank
awesome.
yes. Thank you so much. So Pranjal, today we have
Yeah.
to talk about bucket list.
What is that, ma'am? I don't know
Buck-
about it.
Okay,
Bucket
bucket
list, like what?
list. Yes, bucket list is very interesting. Bucket list is the things of list of things which you need to do it in your lifetime, which you decide that yes, I would do this, I would do this. I really want to go here. I really want to explore this place. So something like that you keep on in your lifetime from a childhood. You keep on thinking about them, and now some people they have made it a plan that they always if they have to achieve some scores, they write it on the board, they write it on the walls that I need to do this.
Okay.
So the list is called the bucket list. So have you ever made such list, or have you ever thought of such list?
Yeah, definitely. Ma'am, before proceeding further, I just wanted to ask you one thing. Sorry for the interruption. Ma'am, what is the toppings? Because one instructor, asked me yesterday in the conference that which toppings do you like in your pizza? Like, what is topping?
Okay. टॉपिंग्स मतलब जो टमाटर हो गए, अनियंस हो गए, मशरूम्स हो गए, वो जो कौन सा पनीर का पिज्जा आजकल बना रहे हैं, जो भी उसके ऊपर पनीर के ऊपर जो पिज्जा के ऊपर आप डाल रहे हैं उसको टॉपिंग्स बोल दिया. So veg
So one is oregano, right?
Oregano, that is seasoning.
Right.
जो मसाले पड़ते हैं वो सीजनिंग्स हुए. सो ऑरेगेनो हो गया, चिली फ्लेक्स हो गया, वो सब सीजनिंग्स हो गए. जो टॉपिंग्स हैं वो आपके जो उसके ऊपर आपने मशरूम डाले, कॉर्न्स डाले, कभी किसी ने टमाटर, प्याज, सब जो उसके ऊपर है, दे आर ऑल टॉपिंग्स.
Toppings. Okay, it's a kind of a slice of vegetables.
It is on your pizza. On your pizza you put anything. Even if you are having वो cheese and tomato sauce की तो layer होती है. Above that you have the cheese buzz pizza, then you will have only the cheese there. But if you have the vegetables there, then you will have what do they call, country veg pizza, or I don't even know which all pizzas.
Margarita and all these
Margarita and all the they all are the pizza cheese variety, but these are the toppings are generally the vegetables that you put on the pizzas.
Okay, I got you.
Yes, they are the toppings, and oregano and chili flakes and everything are the seasonings.
Okay.
Yes. So have you ever made any bucket list?
Yes, ma'am. Most of the time, I would say that, just because of since childhood, actually, I have been just, making all these things just because of the first thing, what I have been thinking since my childhood, like whenever I have a good amount of money, a lot of money, right? So I just want to spend that money into our education system because I love to be educated, and I would say that I really want people to be educated in our country, right? So I really want, and I'm really dedicated and desperate towards education. So I just want to make very big changes and a very good changes in terms of infrastructure of education, in terms of the perspective and a perception of the people towards the education. That education is very important, man. You'll have to be educated, otherwise you can't do anything, because in today's generation, like 21st century, you cannot survive until you're educated, right? So you have to be educated fast, right? And education is the only thing that I generally believe that education is the only thing that makes differences into the society, right? So this is the thing that I have been just thinking, or since childhood, to change in the society. If I just get the chance to make changes into the society, so that would be the first step that I will take towards the education, towards our society, right? Yeah. If so I just become
have you ever thought, or have you ever try to think about the best schools in India? Have you ever explored that possibility? Ke India mein which all schools are there which are giving or imparting that kind of education? Have you ever thought of it?
Yeah, many times. But Radhika ma'am, I just want to tell you one thing, like, in India, most of the education sectors and institutions, like, they have become a business. If I talk about the English medium schools, So English medium schools, like they are just charging a lot of money or a big amount of money from students' parents, right? And in India, if I talk about the government school, so you know the condition of the government school.
Yes.
It's,
Yes.
it is becoming pathetic and pathetic day by day, just
Hmm.
because of our government is not looking into these situations or these sectors to improve these
Hmm.
things, right?
Yes.
Just because of this is the reason that we have a very less talent in India. We have a very less talented people. Whatever the talented people that we have, other countries they are just bought by other countries, you know very well,
Yes.
right,
Yes.
ma'am? So this is
No,
that's why
but
I am just
what I have heard is in Delhi now the government schools are doing very good.
I'm awesome,
I
awesome.
I have not been or I have not met any one of them, not even on this platform. I have not met any learner or anyone from Delhi municipality school or Delhi, because we in our times when I used to study in Delhi, I used to meet them, and we were from Sunday school and other children were from government schools, but we could see the difference between us and them also. But today they are saying that they have improved and children are doing very well. So that's I would say 3 cheers for Mr. Kejriwal, because he has thought of this idea and he's doing it so well. So that is
Definitely.
one thing. But other places, I'm not very sure that if education system has done so well or if they are able to do that kind of contribution towards it.
That's why, ma'am.
Even NGOs, I've seen Azim Premji.
Yeah.
They are doing a lot
Wipro
of
manager, Wipro
yes,
CEO.
yes, they are doing a lot of work in Uttarakhand also. But how much actually effective all these platforms are, I really don't have any idea.
No, that's why, ma'am. I'm in a favor of Kejriwal just because of Kejriwal is the person that who
Yes,
looks into education system first.
yes,
His priority is first education.
yes,
This is the main thing. And you asked me one thing that in my previous conversation when we had, like civil services, and he was an
yes,
ex
yes.
IS officer.
IIT and IAS.
Yeah,
He's
IS.
ex
That's
IIT. He's ex IIT and IS. Yes.
That's why, ma'am, I just want people like this to rule our country, not like very uneducated, unschooled, politicians are just running our country. This is the
Yes.
fact that we are just lagging behind in terms of, if I compare our country to other countries. This is the reason because we are unschooled or a very illiterate politicians who run our country. No, this is not the way.
Yes.
So yeah, ma'am,
But
that's
that
why
is
I
why
just
this
want
is my
people like
favorite
this.
question with all the youngsters, that if given a chance, would you ever like to go into politics?
Ma'am, I really don't have interest in politics, but yeah, I will definitely, I can say that, yeah, if youngster, as I told you earlier, that if youngsters
Yes.
are interested to go into the politics, they can. But if you just go to the politics, just go with the positive mindset to do
Yes.
something for your public and for your nation people, right? It's not
Yes.
like just fulfill your pockets all the time. No,
Don't do that.
it
Yes.
is, you don't do
For
that.
actually to work for the country, to work for people around us, and to see that we do something for our country. That is what is most important. Yes.
Yeah, for the biggest example, like Modi ji. Modi ji did lot of things for Gujarat, right?
Yes.
Not for India only, right?
Yes.
So Modi ji did lot of things for Gujarat. That's why Gujarat is one of the developed state in India.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes. It is.
we just want people like this, and we want just like leader like this to rule
Hmm.
our state and to rule our country. Then we can just hope, and then we can just say that yeah, our country can develop in a better way. Until unless no.
Yes.